everybody. We are back with another opening of Topps 2019 Series 1. This is a hanger box from the Walmart, and it has the two exclusive Ronald Acuna Jr. cards. We're going to crack into this. Wish me luck. I heard people pulling Derek Jeter autographs, so if someone out there wants to send me some good luck. Don't see any thick relic cards, but that's okay. Autographs don't need to be thick. This position, and we have Sensatella. Oh, nice. Okay. Aaron Judge. Always room for Aaron Judge. Freddie Freeman. Martinez. Matt Davidson. Schindler. Burns. Black. This will probably be the last time I buy this, honestly. I don't really like the new design at all, and there's not really any rookies that anyone's really seeking at this point. It's Jacob Nix, Schwarber. Got Mitch Moreland, Trumbo. There we go, nice. And Ohtani, Chris Bryant, Billy Hamilton, Stewart rookie, Allard rookie, Cologne, Garcia rookie, Chicago Cubs, Pirates, Yankees win, D. Gordon, Lester, Tehran, Andrew Heaney, Miguel Sano, Mickey Hernandez. Oh, there's a good rookie, Justice Sheffield. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the glare to minimum. Nats, Cubbies. Here we have the foil, Jonathan VR. And here's one of our two Acuna inserts. Stay right there. Hopefully this kid stays healthy and stays awesome. Oh, nice. We got a reprint. Too bad this isn't the real deal. Mike Trout replica rookie card. This is pretty nice though. We got the 84 throwback 35th anniversary Wade Boggs. Chase Anderson. This is also highly annoying that they're flip flop. Scherzer. There's another Tommy Luke. Arrieta. Reese Hoskins. I like this guy. Lavender. Byron Buxton. Jay Bruce. Blake Snell. Lauren. Whit Merrifield. We got Miggy, who will be an Hall of Famer for sure. Yasiel Puig just got sent to the Reds. Anthony Rendon. Franmil Reyes, future star. Alex Gordon. Martin Perez. Boyd. Blake Snell. We've got Kershaw. Urena. Henry Jensen. Ken Giles. Zach Davies. Ronald Guzman, future stars. Tyler Anderson, Jesselman, Defoe, and this dude was a stud last year, Matt Chapman. Well, that was pretty much it. Nothing spectacular, no autographs, but we did pick up an Aaron Judge and Ohtani and this cool Wade Boggs, which I'll probably end up trying to trade, pick up some. I know there's a Ricky Henderson, Don Mattingly, and Derek Jeter version of this out there, so maybe someone will want to trade. Anyway, that's it. Thanks. Have a good one.